Hello, beautiful. So for our warm up today, before we start doing our hula hooping, we'll do some planks. So for a plank, be comfortable. If it's too much for you, don't do it. But just make sure you keep your body parallel to the ground. Your elbows down, your hands spread apart. So we'll do this for about a minute, 45 seconds to a minute. And then we'll go side to side and get our waist engaged. All right, here we go. And you got this. Do the best you can do. And the good thing with planks is you'll feel it your whole abdomen. And with planks, what's good is, unlike sit-ups, you're not engaging and hurting your neck or anything. You're doing good. Don't worry. Your body will start vibrating a little bit, but that's good. That's your muscles working. Okay, just for a couple more seconds. 12 more seconds. And then we're going to go from right to left. Twist right, twist left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And do what you can do. Right, left, right, left, right, left. All right, now we're gonna get to our hula hoop and the fun part. So now let's get our cool down in. Just remember, take your hula hoop, go down, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Whew, just kind of shake it out. Thank you so much for going on this fitness journey with me. You're doing a great job, and remember, life is too short not to do a little something for yourself every day. Thank you. Bye-bye.